How's it going? What are you doing today? You're never gonna believe what we're doing today. What we got, where we're going. You believe it? I can't. Crazy. Unfortunately, we're not gonna hear a run today. Kind of torn apart just a little bit. I'll give you one guess. And it doesn't count. It might have to do with something yellow. What could it be? Or it could be really, really heavy. Look how big this thing is. It's huge. So this is one of our trucks today that we're working on. Quite a project, as you can tell. Can you believe that this thing tows up to 1,000,000 pounds? 1,000,000 pounds. It's a lot. Of course, it's on the rail. This is a railroad truck. Right here's where we hook them up, or not we, but they. Our customer hooks them up to the train cars and pulls them around. They do repairs for this bad boy. This is a repair truck for the railroad. We'd love to see one in action. Unfortunately, we don't get to see them broken down, being the truck repair shop that we are. Wow. It's big. Come on, let's take a look. So right here, all these big things is the insulation. They're blankets for the exhaust. There's a bunch of them. They get all charred up after some time. This is where they go. This is a DPF system on a Cat. Believe it or not, which is absolutely unheard of, right? This is why they stopped making highway engines for some time. Because it's a freaking mess. Obviously this one's in a different position than others are going to be, just due to the upfitting on this truck. With this staircase in the way, it's kind of hard to put a DPF system there where it would normally be. Here's the old blankets. You can tell they're all full of soot and melted and worn and whatnot. The customer is wanting some new ones done. Mainly the ones back in there, which is really hard to see right now. But yeah, this is a Brandt truck. It's got the crane on it. Pretty cool. They basically have that there just for looks, more or less, because it never, what they say, they use it about once every 6 months or so. That's a Van Air compressor. That's what supplies the air for the coupling system, the train horn, etc. Pretty cool trucks. We got a couple of these that we keep up on maintenance and repair wise. That is a C15 with a spark plug on it, believe it or not. Twin turbo. Got a whole lot of emissions junk on it, and I think we've replaced just about everything at least twice. This thing is massive. This is where they got the train horn. It's a Nathan. Don't remember the exact model, but it's loud. That puppy shakes the building. So, lights galore. This one hasn't been upfitted yet with all of the lights that the other ones we have set up. But it's got some serious upfitting on here. I'll show you here in just a second, put some perspective on the size of this thing. But these are extendo mirrors, they're pretty cool. I mean, I can't even come close to touching this thing with it like this. So, you know, it's got the mirror behind the mirror. They extend those out when they get the rail cars going. So, it's pretty neat. Triple axle, triple drive, I should say. A giant magnet back there. The grappler. Sorry for the poor video quality. I am a mechanic, not a videographer. And that is what we're working on. So to put this truck in perspective, I'm about 5'7", 5'9". These trucks are big, like real big. Standing straight, the bottom step to get in, or the top step to get into the cab is up to my shoulder. It's big. Driving these things is a real bear, to say the least. C15's got plenty of power. The emissions, not so much. There's always emissions issues on this thing. But you know, it gets the job done. Turning is not fun. I've driven this thing around the block a few times for test drives and whatnot. It's not the easiest thing to do, that's for sure. You gotta plan your whole route, it seems like. Boy oh boy. They're fun to look at, that's for sure. So if you like this video about this big monster, I will try my best to get one of it doing a cold start, because when this thing fires up, it is something else. I mean, it's freaking massive. So let me know if you liked it. We'll see if we can get this thing fired up here in the next video or so. And have a great day.